Hi, I'm Julia, and today I'll show you how to set up an auto moderation role step by step. To get started, let's go to the auto moderation module and click Create New Role. Let's start by naming our role. Make it something easy to identify. Next, we move to the first block, Profile. Here, we define where our role should be active. You must select a platform, a profile, or several profiles from one platform, the message type, and the condition that the given message must meet. This is the foundation. You decide which accounts and which types of interactions the role should pay attention to. The second block, Trigger, is the heart of automation, the initiator of the entire process. It specifies the type of event that must occur for the role to be activated. You have several powerful options to choose from. First, Sentiment, automatically marked by our AI assistant. Positive, neutral, or negative. Next, you can choose a message tag, automatically assigned by the AI assistant, hate speech, or spam. Another option is the user tag. Remember that this will only work on messages from users who have already been labeled with that tag. Finally, you can select keywords by simply writing your keywords, or you can use the advanced mode to introduce more complex search rules, for example, by excluding certain words. In the third block, we define social media actions. These are visible external actions that directly affect communication and brand image. Keep in mind that available actions vary depending on the platform. On Facebook, you can delete or hide a message, reply with a comment or DM, and even block the user. On Instagram, you have the option to delete and hide the message and reply in a comment or private message. For Instagram ads, we can delete and hide and reply as a comment. On LinkedIn, you can delete the message, reply with a comment, and also react with a heart. On TikTok, you can reply to a comment, hide it, or react with a heart. For TikTok ads, we can reply to a comment or hide it. And on YouTube, you can delete, hide, or reply with a comment. Choose the action that best fits your role. Block number 4 is NapoleonCat Actions, which are internal actions that organize teamwork. Within this block, you can archive the message, flag it, apply tagging, for example, query or complaint, assign to a moderator, or mark the sentiment as positive, neutral, or negative. Next block is notifications. You can configure the role so that an email is sent to the provided addresses every time the role is executed. You can use our template or write your own message, and even attach the message content or a link to it. Next block is schedule. You can leave the roles active all the time or turn them on temporarily. What's great about it is that you can activate the roles only on specific days of the week. This is very useful, for example, if your moderators work from Monday to Friday and you want your roles to be active on weekends. Finally, you can check the option Stop Auto Moderation after this role is executed. This means that if this role is triggered and another role would also meet the conditions, the other role will not be activated. This helps avoid unwanted double actions. Now, all you have to do is save the role and it will work on every new message. Remember, if you have any questions, you can contact us via chat. Thanks for watching and see you next time.